Beneath the weight of summer skies, I face the storms I said yesterday. Heartbreak shadow trying to stay, but I chase the darkness far away. The August moon tonight, I'm reborn in this golden light. Leave the past, let the future bloom. I'll rise anew. The August moon. The August moon.
The sunset paints the heavens red, whispering dreams of what's ahead. Every step I take is mine in this brand new world. Yesterday, the August moon tonight, I'm reborn in this golden light. Leave the past, let the future bloom. I'll rise anew.
The August moon.
Every star is a battle I've won. Every echo a song begun. New horizons call my name. The fire within will never tame. The August moon's embrace. I found my rhythm, found my place. Beyond the shadows, under the moon, here I stand to sing my tune. Then yesterday,
The August moon. The August moon.
the August moon.